Hi everyone, my name's Itamar Blauer, and in this video we're going to be talking about Reddit marketing tools that you can use to do community research and to research subreddits on Reddit, and that will help you as a marketer to be able to target your audience on Reddit more effectively. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bells to never miss out on any future videos. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first Reddit marketing tool that I'm going to share with you is Later for Reddit. And this has a couple of really great features, with the first one being Discover subreddit. So if you're new to Reddit and you don't know where your audience might be hanging out, you can type in any keyword, for example, like marketing, and then you can click show suggestions and it will give you a list of suggestions related to marketing all here. And these are all subreddits that you can go in and check out if you have absolutely no idea where your audience might be. But let's say you do know where your audience are. You can use the top post analysis tool and type in the subreddit here, so r/marketing, and we can choose here to have the period set to month, and we can analyze the traffic in the subreddit. So we can see the best times to post, which in my case, and of course this is going to be tailored to your time zone, and it's telling me the best times to post in this subreddit. We can also see here with the darker shades of blue where the most posts are being posted, essentially. So we can see, for instance, Sunday at 5 a.m. there are 4 posts that have been posted in the last month. And this is just good to get an overall idea of when the subreddit is most active in terms of people posting. You can also see it here by the day, and you can also see top posts by the hour. So I can see that 7 p.m. my time, there are more posts being posted in r/marketing. And you can also click on title word analysis to be able to see which words are being used the most in this subreddit. And of course, marketing is going to be the main one here, but we've also got different types of words here as well, and also different things that people are saying with kind of 2, 3, or 4 words. And if we even change this to year, you can get a better understanding of generally what people are talking about on this subreddit. So you can get an idea in terms of content you might be able to write. You can get an idea in terms of how you might be able to engage the community as well. And we can see here higher frequencies, and this will just give you a better idea of what you can do or what the content is around that particular subreddit. And you can do this for absolutely anything. So Later for Reddit is a great tool you can use. And the second tool for Reddit marketing that I want to share with you is Subreddit Stats. And this one will give you on the homepage an kind of overview of the subscribers, the percentage growth of different subreddits. And if I want to be specific and type in r/marketing, I can get the stats in terms of how many subscribers, comments per day, posts per day, all of these kind of metrics you can see. And it's also got some nice charts where you can see the growth rate of these subreddits, so you can gauge to see whether or not these communities are growing, if they're declining. So in this example, we can see that the r/marketing subreddit is growing steadily over time. It's had much more growth in the past couple of years. And you can also see things like comments per day and all these other charts that you can get into. And as well, you've got the top keywords of the subreddit, similar to the other tool that we showed. And it's also got here some related subreddits by the keywords, by the users, and also you've got some usernames in terms of the top commenters and the top posters. And there's just generally so much information, so much data here that you can take in. And so this one is great just to see if you want to know if the communities that you want to join and engage with, if they are actually growing and how many people actually post and comment every day, because that's going to be important to see exactly if people are engaging in these communities. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video about Reddit marketing tools that you can use in order to discover communities and know how to engage with them. If this video helped you, leave a like rating below. That would really help me out. I've been Itamar Blauer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, you've reached the end of this video, but don't worry, there's plenty more great content that you can watch right now. All you have to do is click one of the 2 video links on the left side of the screen. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss out on future uploads.